Judge, I'm here.
Oh,
This is Terrence Allison.
okay, just hold on. We'll get you on the next case.
Who would you like first, Your Honor?
Kevin Rollins.
Mr. Rollins, could you come forward, please?
We're on the record in cause number 324-360. Case is style of state of Texas versus Kevin Lamont Rollins. Mr. Rollins, is that your full name?
Yes.
How you doing, Mr. Rollins? That's good. Mr. Rollins, you're here with your attorney, Mr. James Padgett. Mr. Padgett, how you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning. Mr. Padgett, you have an announcement? you'd
Yes,
like
Your
to
Honor, I
make?
have some good news. I've been dealing with Miss Ashley Malfino on Mr. Rollins' case. He's an honorably discharged veteran. She has accepted him into the Veterans Program. So at this point, I've spoken to the prosecutor and he's making me an offer. I'm going to relay that to my client. But what we need to do is get a plea date, whatever pleases the court. On that date, we'll enter the plea and then they will take him into the Veterans Program. That's the way she told me to do it. She said that we had to do the plea first.
Oh, okay, that's how they're doing it now? Okay.
And I even took notes and I spoke to Ms. Malfino about it. She said we need to have him enter the plea first and he's been approved for the program. I mean, if there's something that's changed.
So
since I
let me
spoke
ask
to
you
her
here.
about 30 days
So he enters a plea, they put him in the program, and the case stays on hold for him to complete the program?
Yeah, it's the Veterans Program. He'll be placed on regular probation. It's just they're going to handle him through a veterans caseload, so he'll get special treatment.
Oh.
You know, whatever.
I thought it
needs
was
that
part of the
has.
pretrial diversion program.
No,
That's
this
what I
is
thought.
not pretrial diversion program.
Okay,
Any special needs that he has, the Veterans Administration will handle it. So there's a special program carved out for him.
okay. Give us a plea date. How much time do you need?
Whatever pleases the court.
What's the standard?
Okay, I'm looking at this, when is y'all plea date? Is it still on the pretrial conference that y'all plea? Or is it on the announcement that y'all plea? I don't.
He's
I'm
gonna
kinda
just,
confused on y'all.
either one, you can play on any docket.
What, okay,
Just put him on a docket.
Whatever you want it on. Put it down.
okay, what, a month? A
Yes,
month?
30 days.
30 days. It'll give me time to do it.
July 26th.
Okay.
Could we do the week after that, the 26th?
August 2nd?
Yes. Is that okay with the court? Your
But
Honor?
it's fine, it's fine with the schedule. So that's August 2nd?
Second.
Okay, you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, Mr. Rollins, from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
Joseph Benitez Gomez. Your full name is Joseph Daniel Benitez Gomez. How you doing, Mr. Gomez? That's good. Mr. Padgett, you have an announcement in Mr. Benitez Gomez case. Actually, he has two cases. First case is cause number 324-960. The second case is cause number 326-164.
That is correct, Your Honor. I just received the DVD evidence on the second case, which is the controlled substance case today. So if we could put this on your plea docket to give me an opportunity to review the videotape and just go over with my client. We do have an offer on both cases, and I'm going to relay those to my client as well.
Okay. Reset it for 30 days in the plea docket.
Okay, I can put them on the same day,
That's fine.
August 2nd.
Okay, reset it August 2nd. You can get your reset. I thank Mr. Padgett, this is your last case.
Yes, Your
You'll
Honor.
be free to go. You have a
Thank you,
blessed
Your
day. Once you get your reset, Mr. Benitez Gomez, you're free to go as well, and you have a blessed day. Okay, we're gonna announce my docket. Raekwon Lee Mickens. How you doing, Mr. Mickens? Okay, now, Mr. Mickens, you're represented by your attorney, Terrence Allison, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Allison, how are you doing?
I'm fine. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Mr. Allison, you have an announcement you'd like to make on Mr. Mickens' case? I see he has a drug court. He has a felony in drug court. I see he has some papers in his hand. He must have been reset.
Right.
Okay, I see it was reset to August 2nd. Would you like to have his misdemeanor case reset on the same date, Mr. Allison?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, it'll be reset to August 2nd, 2021. Mr. Mickens, you can get your reset in court. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Allison, I think this is your only case. You're
Yes,
free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
That was announced for docket page 5. See, Mr. Windler. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call Oswaldo Jimenez and Baltimore Mendoza? The free trial conference docket, page 3. The last page. Last two guys, yeah. I think the lawyer went to get him. You may have to call Jennifer. So you may have to call Jennifer. Yeah. Oh. We're on a record in cause number 328344. The state of Texas versus Oswaldo Elizondo Jimenez. Is he here?
Yes, Your Honor.
He can come on up. Okay, is your name Oswaldo Elizondo Jimenez? Oswaldo Jimenez Elizondo?
Yes.
Okay, how are you doing?
I'm doing good.
That's good. You're here represented by Mr. Walter Windler. Mr. Windler, you have an announcement you'd like to make, and Mr. Jimenez?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd like to request a reset of, been negotiating with the prosecutor this morning. If we can get a reset for 2 weeks, I think we're gonna adjust the charge to the
Okay, state,
That's correct, Your Honor. We're agreeing to refile as a.
oh, okay. Could you give us a 2-week reset?
6/20.
6, okay, it's gonna be 6/28, 2021. You can get your free, Mr. Jimenez, once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. Just have a seat. Baltimore Alberto Mendoza.
You can sign back with them. Yeah, one more.
Your Honor, Mr. Mendez.
Okay, we have an interpreter right here. Why don't you come on up? Okay, would you swear?
Holmes, swear that you'll accurately explain it. Yes.
Okay. Now, for the record, is your name Baltimore Alberto Mendoza?
Su nombre es Baltimore. Mendoza.
Yes. Mr. Mendoza, how are you doing? Good? Okay. Mr. Windler, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Mendoza's case?
Your Honor, I'd like to request a reset in this case also. We signed a pretrial diversion contract on June 3rd for 12 months. And the, I'm used to the charges being dropped that day, but for some reason in this case, the charges weren't
This is
dropped.
well, I don't think they dropped the assault cases because until after he finished the program.
Okay, so it's a 12-month probation term, so it would be June
Well,
3rd.
well, he's in the program for 12 months. He's not on probation because his case hasn't been adjudicated. Okay, so what I need to do is he's currently on a cash bond. Can we give some bond conditions? I don't know if he has any. Give me that blue folder. Check to see if he has any bond conditions. I don't know. I'm gonna have to give you a copy of it too.
He doesn't have any.
Okay, his last name is Mendoza. There it is. You haven't reset his case already, have you? Okay. Looking for it on here. Make 2 copies of this. Thank you. That's a copy for you, and this is a copy for Mr. Mendoza. I'm gonna go over these conditions with him. Mr. Mendoza. The document is titled Standard Bond Conditions in County Court at Law Number 2. I will go over these conditions with you. And it reads as follows. Following the arrest and/or accusation in County Court at Law Number 2 of Jefferson County, Texas, all bail bonds executed for release of any defendant named herein are ordered subject to the following additional conditions. Number 1, the defendant shall not commit no offense against the laws of this state, any other state, or of the United States. Condition number 2, the defendant shall submit to testing for drugs and alcohol at any time as directed by the court. The court may revoke the bond and order the arrest of any defendant who, A, refuses to submit to a test for drugs and alcohol when directed to do so by the court, or B, submit to a test for drugs and alcohol, and the test indicates the presence of drugs and alcohol in the defendant's body. And condition number 3, the defendant shall not communicate either directly or indirectly with the alleged victim of the pending offense, and the defendant shall not go near any residence, school, or other location frequented by the alleged victim, Raina Felix. Okay, do you understand these conditions? Now, if you violate any one of these conditions, your bond can be revoked and you could be arrested and placed in the Jefferson County Jail. Okay, now we're gonna reset his case. You say he's in a pretrial diversion program. I mean, yep. That's usually like 18 weeks, 18 classes or something like that. I'm gonna reset it for let's say 6 months.
Okay.
That should be enough time, give them enough time to complete the classes. I think you take one class a week or something. Yeah, he can keep, it's gonna be reset. She's gonna give us a date.
It'll be December 6th.
His case is gonna be reset to December 6th. Okay, once he get his reset from his attorney, he'll be free to go and tell him he can have a blessed day. Okay, and you have a blessed day as well, Mr. Wendell. Yes, you may be excused. Thank you. Rojas. Bailiff, on the pre-trial conference docket, well, let's see. I don't know if, I thought Mr. Rojas' client may have been here. Okay, he has another. Okay, on the announcement docket, he has a gentleman by the name of Lloyd Jones. Okay. Just have him to come in court, and then when he comes back on the monitor, we'll get him. Next person I get is, let's see.
Lloyd Jones?
Yes.
Lloyd Jones?
Is that Mr. Jones?
Yeah.
He can come forward. We're on the record in 3 cases. First case is cause number 325-318. Second case is cause number 327-334. Third case is cause number 327-844. All 3 cases are styled the state of Texas versus Lloyd Jones Jr. Is that your full name? How you doing, Mr. Jones? Okay, you have to speak up because she's taking a record. Okay. Now, Mr. Jones, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Charles Rojas. He's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Rojas, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Rojas, I see that Mr. Jones has a felony case that is also set today in the 257th District Court, 252nd District Court. Have you went to that court yet? Okay, was your case reset? Okay, what's your reset date? That's today. You must be looking at the wrong day. July 26th? Okay. Now, Mr. Rojas, would you like to keep this case with that felony case on the same date?
Yes, sir. We can do that.
Okay, so that's July 26th of 2021. Both of these cases will be reset, and we're gonna keep it on the announcement docket. Mr. Jones, should be an X over there on the end. Stand on that X. The court coordinator will reset your case July 26th of 2021. Once you get your reset from our court coordinator, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Thank you.
And Judge, I think I also have another client who may be appearing through Zoom. His name is Kelvin Vega.
Vega, okay, because he's not, has he
he was trying to log on. I assume I don't know if that's his number down at the
Yeah,
bottom, 784 or not.
No, that's Henry Cole. Well, he hasn't appeared yet because
Okay,
he's not on Zoom.
okay, we'll try to get a hold of him and see what the holdup is. He's trying to log in right now, I think.
Okay, you're welcome. All right. Skylar Compton on the announcement docket. Second page at the bottom, Skylar Compton. Good morning.
Compton?
We're on the record in cause number 325864 and cause number 325866, cause number 326029. All three cases are styled the state of Texas versus Scholar Colt Compton. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Compton?
Pretty good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Compton. You're here represented by your attorney, Ms. Lori Ferrazzo. Ms. Ferrazzo, how you doing?
I'm doing very well, thank you.
That's good. Ms. Ferrazzo, you have an announcement you like?
Your Honor, could I have another reset to another announcement so I can have sufficient time to review the discovery?
Okay, how much time do you need?
30 days.
Okay.
Okay, give us a court date, review discovery. I'll keep it on the announcement docket. Yes,
July 26th.
okay. Case is gonna be reset to July 26th. Well, your cases are gonna be reset to July 26th. Mr. Compton, once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go.
Yes, sir.
And you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You too, Your Honor.
And you'll be free to go as well, Ms. Ferrazzo. I think this is your only case.
I have two more. I have Lance Owens, and I have a case on the trial docket for Brandon Kirksey.
Is Lance Owens here? Yes. Yeah, he's on page 1 of the announcement docket at the bottom, second from the bottom.
And he is outside the courtroom. He also has a pending felony in drug court that he appeared at today.
Okay.
Lance Bowen?
We're on the record in cause number 323832. Case is style of state of Texas versus Lance Cannon Owens.
Yes, sir.
Is that your full name?
Yes, sir. It is.
How you doing, Mr. Owens? That's good. Mr. Owens, you're here represented by your attorney, Ms. Lori Ferrazzo. Ms. Ferrazzo, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Owens' case?
Yes, Your Honor, I just need another reset to another announcement for sufficient time to review discovery, and he also has a pending felony in drug impact court that needs to be resolved as well.
Have you been to drug impact court today?
I went this morning, sir, and they set it off till next Monday. They told me to come back next Monday.
When do you want your case reset
At
to?
least 30 days for mine, for the discovery, since I haven't had a
And the other
chance.
one's probably gonna get set off too, because I still have to hire attorney and all that, so that was probably gonna get set off Monday too.
Okay, so we're gonna reset it 30 days.
July 26th.
Okay, this case is gonna be reset to July 26th of
It's my
2021.
birthday.
Oh, happy birthday, happy
Y'all gonna see me at
early
birthday? Y'all coming
birthday.
Maybe, if you bring the
Yeah.
dog again.
Now, if, the case, when the case is gonna get reset to July 26th, your attorney's gonna give you reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. And happy birthday. Oh, I had, we don't get back to the trial document, Mr. Robbins. Okay. I see Mr. Let's get Mr. We're on the record in cause number 322838, State of Texas versus Jaquela Davis. Jaquela Rochelle Davis.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Davis is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Davis, how are you doing?
I'm fine. How you doing?
I'm doing fine. And Ms. Davis, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Joe Vasquez, who's in court. Mr. Vasquez,
sir.
how are you?
Good, John. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Vasquez, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Ms. Davis's case?
Yeah, Sean, this, we'll check it out with the state. This case will need to be sent to the court to determine restitution.
Well, restitution is a punishment issue. So you have to, you have a bifurcated system, guilt and innocent phase, and then you go to the punishment phase. So,
It's just a.
yeah, but I mean, I can't put the cart before the horse. So you're gonna have to decide whether or not if you're gonna plead, we do that, and then we, your case will be reset, set punishment as restitution as well.
We had reset for complete document.
Okay, give us a reset on the plea docket.
August 2nd.
Okay, it's gonna be reset for plea on August the 2nd. Mr. Vasquez, you get your reset in court. Now, Ms. Davis, your attorney is gonna get your case reset August 2nd, 2021. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. This will conclude your case today. You have a blessed day and you
All
excuse.
right. You.
All right.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome. And the next case, you have another case. Cause number 325622. Case in the State of Texas versus Lacayo DiCario. And I think
Yes, sir.
Mr. DiCario is appearing via Zoom. Mr. DiCario, how are you doing?
I'm all right. How are you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. DiCario, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Vasquez, who's here in court. Mr. Vasquez, you have an announcement you'd like to make?
Yes, Sean, Mr. DeCarlo has been approved for the pretrial, and we'd ask that his case be set for that first Thursday in August.
Okay, that's the free trial date. We'll set it the next week.
Thank you.
Okay,
It'll be August 4th.
okay, it's gonna be reset to August 12th. You can get your reset. Once you get your reset, Mr. Vasquez, I think this will conclude your cases.
Have one.
Yeah, one more. Is it on, what?
Mr. Williams.
On page 1 of the pre-trial document.
You said Williams? Yes, is he here?
Yes.
Okay. I didn't have him checked off as being here.
Octavian Williams?
He's gonna be a all the way up here. We on the record in cause number 312130. Case is style of State of Texas versus Dartavian Deshaun Williams. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Williams?
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Williams, you're here represented by Joe Vasquez. Mr. Vasquez, you have an announcement?
Yes, Sean, we'd ask for this case to be set on August 12th as well. Mr. Williams doesn't pretrial date.
He's been approved for pretrial, okay. Okay, this case will be reset to August 12th, 2021. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And I think this concludes your cases. Mr. Vasquez, you Have a blessed day as well.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Okay, you welcome. Get your reset. We're on the record in cause number, in the pretrial conference docket, on page 2, State of Texas versus Kelvin Vega, cause number 326296. Mr. Vega is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Vega, how are you doing? You can take your mic off of mute.
Say good.
Good, okay. And Mr. Vega, you're represented by Mr. Rojas. Mr. Rojas, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Vega's case?
We do, Judge. Mr. Vega was approved for pretrial diversion. We were supposed to sign last week. Mr. Vega didn't have the full amount of money needed to sign. We've got that reset to August, I think it's August 5th, I believe is the date. If we can get the second Thursday in August, I think we'll be able to get signed up by the next time.
Okay. Okay, just hold on a minute. Hey, Mr. Rojas, Mr. Vega's case is going to be reset, pretrial diversion. We're going to reset it to August 12th, 2021. Mr. Vega, stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. Your case is going to be reset to August 12th, 2021. And Mr. Rojas, we will send you your reset. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Y'all have a blessed day. Y'all free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Miss, we're gonna reset Vegas case.
Okay.
That same date I gave him, that said the date she was given was August the 12th. Pre-trial.
Actually, it's gonna be the 16th, Judge.
Okay, well, okay.
Okay? Okay. Here you go. Thank you, Joe.
Yeah, so reset Vega for the 16th as well.
Which docket is it?
He's on the pre-trial conference docket, bottom of page 2, second one from the bottom.
Got it.
Oh, that's Cole. Did Cole guy ever show up?
He was on there. Oh, he was on there.
No, he's on, that's the attorney. I'm talking about his client.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Henry's on Zoom for now. Oh, no. Henry's on Zoom.
was his client supposed to be on Zoom or was he supposed to be on?
Either one.
Did that for college?
Yes, he didn't,
Brandon, no, he's not here.
he hadn't appeared yet. Okay. I think we got Mr. Boudreaux.
Judge, I'm ready to, if you have a chance.
Yeah, okay. Do you have an announcement?
Yes, Judge.
We got to clear something?
Ms. Barfield, oh, no paperwork, Judge.
No, I thought that wasn't, I think the loan guys were coming. It's funny. Yeah.
Simpson Road. We're on the record at bottom of page 2 on the pretrial conference docket, the last one. We're on the record in cause number 326404. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Deborah Lynn Favre Felix.
Yes.
Is that correct?
That is correct.
How you doing, Ms. Favre
Good
Felix?
morning, Judge.
That's good. I'm doing fine. And Ms. Favre Felix, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Charles McIntosh. Mr. McIntosh, how you doing?
Doing well, Judge, thank you.
Okay. Mr. McIntosh, you have an announcement you'd like to make?
Yes, Judge, I have discovery, I have a video, I've spoken with my client, I have an offer. I believe we can plead this out next case, but my client would just like a little bit of time to get her finances in order, ready to plead. So just ask for a standard reset.
Okay, give us a reset date for a plea.
August 2nd.
That works for me.
Okay, so we reset August 2nd. You can get your reset. Once you get your reset, Ms. Favre Felix, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Okay.
And Mr. McIntosh, I think, is this your only case?
Yes, Judge, it is. I believe.
Okay, you'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, that's the plea. Did everybody sign up on the plea? Oh, okay. Okay, we gotta get a prosecutor to sign, okay. Yes, they hadn't, the prosecutors haven't signed the paperwork yet. Lorene Miller. On page 3 of the pretrial conference docket, Mr. Ryan Matuska is the attorney.
Judge, I don't know why she's on pretrial. She's accepted pretrial version.
Maybe it's, I don't know. We'll find. Is she in pretrial?
August 5th, she's signed.
Oh, she's gonna sign.
She just got accepted.
Oh, okay, okay, so she's not, okay. Is that gonna be an August 16th date?
Yes.
Okay, so this is cause number 327004, Lorene Hogan's Miller, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Miller, your attorney, Mr. Ryan Matuska. First of all, Mr. Matuska, how are you doing?
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. Now, Mr. Matuska has announced that you're gonna be signing up for our pretrial, for at least for the DA's office, pretrial diversion program. So therefore, your case is going to be reset to August 16th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, August 16th. You can get your reset. For when you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. And you have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Mr. Matuska, you stand over there and get your reset.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. You have any other cases?
Yes, Your Honor, I have one more. There's a companion felony that we just had drug court.
Is it on the announcement docket?
Yes, sir. We just got the report.
Who is the, who you?
Candy Colazzo. C-O-L.
Yeah. Colazzo. Candy Colazzo? Mr. Bailiff, is Candy Colazzo here?
She walked over with you, Judge.
She is present, Your Honor.
Ms. Colazzo, you can come on up, stand on the X. We're on the record in cause number 328119. Case is styled the state of Texas versus,
Ma'am.
the case is styled the state of Texas versus Candy Cooper Colazzo. Is that your full name? How you doing, Ms. Colazzo? That's good. Ms. Colazzo, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Ryan Matuska. Mr. Matuska, you have an announcement?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm asking for a reset for the 28th of June. That's the date of felony has been reset.
Okay, June 28th.
Yes, sir.
She's gonna reset it with a felony case. Mr. Matuska, you get your reset. Ms. Colazzo, once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. And, okay, you have a blessed day as well, Mr. Matuska. You- Bailiff, could you see if Dennis Pickney is here?
Go ahead and sign it.
First person on the announcement docket. Yes, drug court. Okay, he's gonna go see if your attorney, your client is here. Okay, I see that Mr. Pickney has a felony case set today in drug court.
I didn't get any notice that it was said also, I think, in your court today.
Today, right.
And I didn't get notice of that.
You didn't get notice that his case was set today?
No, yes, sir. Not that I know, not that I'm up to my knowledge, I didn't. So
Okay.
I would have had him here, I'm sorry.
Well, he's supposed to be, he might be in drug court
Well,
because he said in drug court today as well.
Well, I'll go check on that.
I think his attorney in drug court is, look, it's James Paget. Right. Okay, just let us know something.
Okay.
All right, all right. You may be excused.
Judge, I've got one other one too.
Oh, you do?
Um,
Who's your client?
Melanie,
Oh, Colin? I got Vicky, no, yeah, just Vicky Collins.
she's here.
Mr. Bailiff, would you please call Vicky Collins?
She's on which docket?
She's on our announcement docket, page 3 at the bottom.
She's right here.
Okay. We're on the record in cause number 327728, cause number 327730, cause number 327732, and cause number 327734. All 4 cases are styled the state of Texas versus Vicky Lynette Collins. Is that your full name? How you doing, Ms. Collins? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Collins, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Don Boudreaux. Ms. Collins, I also see that you have 2 felony cases that are set in July, on July 12th.
Yes, sir.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Boudreaux, would you like these cases to be set on that same day with the felony cases?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can get your reset, Mr. Boudreaux. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. Ms. Collins, get your reset from your attorney. You'll be free to go as well, and you have a blessed day as well. All right.
Thank you.
Judge, do I have a minute to ask you one other question?
Is pertaining to a case?
Yes, sir. On Thursday, on your document on Thursday.
Okay, I need to, I don't have,
His
I don't-
name is Ray.
let's do this here. Let's get to that a little later. Just get your reset, have a seat, and then we'll try to get through these dockets and
Then I'll
then,
come back and
Yes.
let you know about picnic.
okay,
But I'm sorry, I didn't give you.
okay. She'll give you a reset. She has a felony set on, July 12th.
Go ahead and sign it for Mr. Boudreaux.
Did the DA sign the,
I
plea?
did see that one. Yes. Okay.
It's ready?
I just looked it up, it's still on the docket. In drug court, so they didn't do that yet. Okay.
325964, case is style of State of Texas versus Carmen T. Simpson.
Judge, we, as a initial matter, waived the discovery. I've been over the stuff with her. She feels like she has to be discovered. She remembers.
Okay, but I mean, you're gonna have to, you got that in writing?
I will.
Yeah, I mean, there's a, I don't know if there's a form, you're gonna have to do it according to statute.
Let me get it.
Let me see if it can be waived. Okay, how you doing? You can have a seat, we'll call you back up.